I wanted to make a quick, simple reference video on laying out dovetails with dividers. In this video, I use 2 sets of dividers, and what I'll start with is my half pin. So this board has 2 half pins on both ends. It's a very common layout, and I set this divider up for this half pin. Now I can use it for this side, that side, and the half pin can be whatever size you want, just something that's visually appealing. Now I'll take this divider and set it to the side because I can use it for the other side of this board and the other tail board. Now I have my other set of dividers. So this set is what's going to give me my actual layout. So these are obviously cut already, so I already know the layout here, but I start in the half pin line and I work my way down the board. Now I make a mark with a pencil every time the point hits. Now I do that instead of pressing in, so that way it saves me sanding. I won't see any dimples. I won't be getting dimples out of the board later if I were to push the pin in. So I work it all the way to one side and I mark all those out. So there'll be half the amount of marks here. Now, when I reach the end, however much my divider is over this half pin last tail line, whatever you want to call it, that is going to be the width of the pins in my board. So I work my way across, I set it up. Now, also, however much I move this screw when I'm doing this setup, that's going to be multiplied by the times I swing the dividers around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on this, it's 7. So every time I move this, multiply that in your head by 7. So any small movement is going to move a lot when you do this layout. So I lay it out this way. Then I come back. When my dividers are set, I put it in the other half pin last tail line, whatever you want to call it, and I work my way back, make my mark with a pencil each time instead of pressing into the wood. And then I work my way all the way back. And now that perfectly lays out my tails and pins evenly spaced between my 2 half pins that I made. And then keep going. Thanks for watching.